Well, India is cheering for its Beti Aditi Ashok, the Indian professional golfer and Olympian from Karnataka, who is currently playing in the final round in the women's individual stroke play. She has made her Olympic Games debut, remember, earlier at the 2016 Summer Olympics, and she is fighting for that medal this time around in the Olympics. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Sagai Raj. Sagai Raj, what a magnificent play for this young lady who is in the finals of the golf at the Olympics.
Absolutely, Aditi Ashok has reached the final rounds of golf Olympic stage, and everybody, whoever have not watched golf earlier, have glued themselves in front of television to see whether our girl will fetch a goal for her. It is a proud moment for Bengaluru as well, where she had practiced her golf here, and we are from Bengaluru Golf Club. We are joined with the captain of Bengaluru Golf Club to understand the game and the kind of performance that she's giving at Olympics. So how do you see her performance?
Yeah, I think everybody's seen her doing a very fantastic job and coming in both all the three rounds. She's there in the first three positions, and as we know, she started golf here in Bangalore Golf Club at the age of 6. She first round she played is at the age of 6. So that's why we all at Bangalore Golf Club are very proud to see our protege there playing there in the Olympics.
Okay. How are you cheering today, sir, for Aditi Ashok?
We are extremely happy. Aditi, she started golf in BGC, and I equally give credit to their parents. They have really worked very hard to support her, and we are extremely happy, and I wish she should come out with the gold.
Sir, if you notice, golf is not as popular as cricket or badminton or football, but still people are watching today just because she's representing the country and she's also in the finalist. How do you think that golf will be seen in the country going forward after her performance?
We cannot say golf is not popular these days. A lot of youngsters are coming in. In fact, in our own club, I think even he was the captain also. We have started the junior golf program. We are encouraging junior golf not only for our members but also for non-members to promote the game of golf. So I think now there is the awareness of golf is there. Then unlike about
maybe like as popular as cricket.
Yeah, I know. Awareness is, that's what I was going to say. That awareness is there as 10 years back what it was. Now there's more awareness of golf. And people know the game. And as you rightly said, people may not know the game how it is played. But these days at least it's they know what golf is, and of course with Aditi going there and even other two men's, I think all are from Bangalore. So I think it's good having them there.
Okay. See, Bengaluru Golf Club is one of the elite clubs. You can see over there, there is a banner which has been put out. They're extending their support and people are watching their mobile when they're simultaneously playing here in the golf club. And you can see that people are looking forward that Aditi can fetch gold from golf by playing golf in Olympics. And everybody is looking forward for that. Back to you, Crispino.
Yes, Sagai Raj. Joining me on the broadcast is also my colleague Sumi, who's reporting from Delhi Golf Club. Sumi, good morning to you. How is the mood on ground there? Big support for Aditi.
Yes, absolutely. Just before we arrived, in fact, and as we arrived here, we saw people glued onto the television sets. And in fact, I have the few men here already cheering for Aditi Ashok. Sir, a Bengaluru girl, an Indian girl is representing, and she's in the cusp of creating history. How do you look at it? Did you like the match so far?
Yeah, she's been playing very well. And I think the last round, now that she's playing, she's potential for gold.
She's potential for gold. Sir, do you think that this will be our first gold or first medal, Olympian medal in golf?
I would say first medal, but she's playing very good and she's mentally very strong.
Mentally very strong. Sir, golf is not as popular as other games, especially cricket. Do you think there should be more awareness? But when I came today, I saw everybody, talking about Aditi Ashok and her game today and how we are in the middle of creating history. And this is for the first time a 23-year-old girl is representing India. And in fact, she was the youngest 5 years ago in the Rio Olympic Games as well.
Well, if she gets a medal, which she will, I think golf will become a very widespread game in India. It is catching up already, and people who are non-golfers are also aware of Aditi Ashok. And, getting a medal in India is a very big thing. And I'm sure she'll get at least a silver, if not a gold.
Absolutely.
Gold may be difficult.
Gold may be difficult. Sir, do you think gold may be difficult, sir?
I'll congratulate her and in advance and all the best. She's very calm. I'm sure she will make some history.
Absolutely. Here, we Indians are very, very confident and already proud of her. And they are very confident of the fact that today a medal is definitely coming home. And golf will certainly find a new place in people's heart after today's game, Crispino, for sure.
Absolutely. The round 4 is currently on. Everybody's glued to their television sets. And we do hope that Aditi does bag a medal for us in golf. Thank you so much, Sumi and Sagiraj, for joining us this morning.